No, I'm good. Appreciate it.
Do you need something?
No, I'm good. I'll ask for help if I need it. Do you work here? Or?
I do.
What's your position here?
Superintendent.
Superintendent, your name, please?
No,
Employee ID or name. You're a public official. You work by our taxes. It's actually public record.
I have a badge ID and like 16.
Yeah. So 116? All right. Appreciate it.
But,
All right.
there's no loitering in the garage.
So, ma'am, let me just clarify something for you. I'm not loitering. Loitering, if you look up the definitions, when you don't have a purpose, I have a purpose.
Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Anthony X First Amendment Audits. Please take a moment and head over to his YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. Today's video took place on February 24th, 2022 in Santa Cruz, California. The auditor in today's video had just parked his car in a public parking garage and decided to film the goings-on of the garage. He is confronted by employees of the public parking garage, and they end up calling the Fillings police on the auditor. When the first officer arrives on scene, he immediately starts barking orders at the auditor and demanding ID. Let's just say Anthony X knows his rights and will always stand up for his rights. Now, let's dive right into today's video and see how this plays out.
Yeah. I have a purpose though, ma'am. I can guarantee it. It's official business.
Well, that's fine. Then
No loitering.
you can tell it to someone else.
It's just a camera, guys. No need to freak out. Unreal. I knew I saw someone over there. They're like, there's no loitering in the garage. Well, if I'm working on a constitutionally protected activity, how could that be loitering? I'm working on a story. Just because I don't disclose it doesn't mean I'm not working on it. All right. Around publicly accessible areas, there's the officer right there.
Have a seat.
I'm not going to sit down.
I'm about to force you to sit down. I'm about to force you to sit down.
I'm about to force you to sit down.
Seat.
I'm not going to sit down.
I'm about to force you to sit down. Sir.
Am I detained?
Yes, you are being detained.
What am I detained for?
Trying to break into the office.
I didn't break into
That's
office.
what the rule is.
So on
have a
camera.
seat right now, sir.
I have a bad back and arms. I'll stand here peacefully. I won't resist.
Okay.
I can't sit
you
down
can
though.
That down so it can record, but I don't want it in your hands.
I'm not going to set it down. And
No,
you don't have a right to
just-
search me either.
No, I'm going to take that away from you in a minute.
You don't have a right to do it.
Hold
Hold on.
Please do that.
I want to stay on camera though.
Oh, absolutely.
I wasn't trying to break in.
That's the call I'm getting, sir.
I don't care
We're
what you
about
call
to
it.
figure
Put it
that
on
out right
camera.
now.
Put it on camera.
It is on camera
So
right
we're
now.
not innocent until proven guilty?
Sir, right now, there's an allegation. You're being detained while I investigate. I need your ID, please.
I'm not giving you ID.
No.
California law, I'm only required to get arrested for a separate crime during the booking process.
So what
No
you're telling me
crime, no
is,
ID. I'm telling you, no crime, no ID.
I'm telling you, there's a crime.
There's no
Trespassing,
crime.
trying to break
No,
in.
hold on.
And so that's
Hold
what
on.
you're being
To be
detained about, sir.
trespassed, you have to be asked to leave first. That's public
And so
property.
right now, not the inside of the office, is it?
I didn't go into the inside.
Okay, trying to get in, sir?
I
That's
didn't
what you're
try.
doing.
I did not
All right,
open
sir.
the door. I opened the door, and matter of fact, it said public, it said mask, it was locked, and I left it.
Okay.
That's all I did. I didn't try to break in.
So we're going to wait for my partner to up. We're going to talk to you.
That's fine.
And then we're going to do what we need.
So are we innocent until proven guilty, or are we guilty until proven innocent?
Right now, that's debatable on your piece,
It's
sir.
not debatable, sir.
Yes, it is.
I'm doing an constitutional protected activity. You got your gloves on like you're about to go to war with me over a fucking family. That's some shit.
Well, I'm sorry you feel that way. But yes,
I do
that's
feel
what
that
my
way.
question-
You're making good cops look bad.
No, sir, you're making good people look bad.
You're making good people look
You're
bad.
making good people look bad, sir.
You're wasting resources.
No, you're wasting
So we're
your
supposed to
resources,
be
sir.
innocent until proven guilty, and you
There's a
have
process,
now
sir.
illegally detained me. You have
I'm not illegally
The clock has
We're
started
here on a call. I've
ticking. Am I
explained
free to
you
go?
why you're being. No, you're not
Am I
free
free to go?
I've already told you that, sir.
And second of all, no one asked me to leave.
Okay.
In order to be trespassed, you have to be given the opportunity to
We're
leave.
about to find out,
And this
sir.
is public property. I have a parking app on my phone, which I'm actually paying for parking as we speak. So you don't know what you're talking about. I want a sergeant.
No,
here.
again,
Please
don't
request
worry,
a sergeant.
we will.
Please request a sergeant. Please request a sergeant. I'd like your supervisor. You only got one, sir. I need someone here that knows what they're doing. Are you going to request it or are you refusing?
No, I'm not going to request a sergeant. I
So
don't
you're-
have to
so
request a
you're
sergeant.
refusing. Yeah, a citizen that pays salaries
Do
requesting
you pay my
it.
salary, sir?
I do, sir.
How?
Taxes. What do you think?
Do
You pay
you
for
live
it?
in this county, sir?
Doesn't matter where I live. The second
Yes,
I
it
buy
does.
something, it's paying your salary.
No, it doesn't, sir.
Oh, yeah.
You should look that up.
I've been here probably longer than you, more than 30
Probably
fucking
not.
years.
Oh,
Piece
then
of
you
shit.
have it. Is that all you got, sir?
It
The
is
best
all I
you
got.
have?
Because you are a piece of shit. You're illegally detained me. You didn't even ask what I'm doing. You illegally detained me.
Match the
We're
description,
in
sir.
description of what?
A person trying to break
So
in.
if let me ask you this, and this is a legit question. And I just want to make sure my hands are okay here, right? I don't want to get tackled with it. I have no weapons on me, not even a pocket knife.
Not
I just
anymore.
want to be
You
clear.
had a club in your hand with a
No,
camera
I
tester.
had a boomstick that holds a camera.
And
That's
you
not a
don't think
weapon.
that can hit somebody?
No. Now you really think I'm going to hit somebody? When
Yes,
you have a
I
gun,
do.
You have mace and a gun.
Happens
Come
all
on.
the time.
No, sir.
Look at the news, sir.
I'm not
Pay
that crazy
attention.
guy walking around with a chair. I'm just a guy with a
I do
camera.
believe you might be.
I'm just a guy with a. Do I look 6 feet tall with a black jacket and blue jeans? No, sir.
No, you're with someone who's
And I want to be very clear. I met you before. About a year ago. Can you request a sergeant? Who's refusing to request a sergeant? He illegally detained me right now. I have not committed a crime.
You are being
But you have to get evidence first. What crime do you suspect me of committing? So until you have a crime, it's illegal. No, because until you have a crime committed, until you have a crime committed, no, until you have a crime, you can't just say, well, you're suspected.
another street lawyer. Great. Learn the
Oh,
law.
I guess you have to be a lawyer to know your basic rights. Come on, man. You're like
You
a
need to
clown.
study
You're
it,
acting
sir.
like-
The
You
only
were okay
person
laughing.
using
This time
vulgar
you're losing
language
your
is
mind.
you, sir, and you're just terrible.
You illegally detained me. How are you
No,
like
it's
to
not
decide
illegal,
to
sir.
illegally detain you?
I explained to you why you're being detained. You don't like the
You're
answer. That's on your
innocent
fault.
until proven guilty in America.
And that's where you
You're
take
also
that up in
violating
court.
my California Penal Code 148G by making me put my camera down.
Because it's a weapon.
It's not a weapon. And like I said, I have no weapons on me, not even a pocket knife. Okay. So once again, why am I illegally being detained? And the clock's
Legally being
ticking.
detained because we're responding to a call for service where you're trying to break in.
Call for service does not mean you have to have what's called RAS, reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime being committed, about to be committed, or committed.
Exactly.
Me
You were
walking
trying to
around.
break into an
No,
office.
they've got
They
cameras.
called us
They've got
911.
cameras.
You matched the description,
They got
and we
cameras.
detained you.
No, sir.
How is that illegal?
I never once tried to break in.
That's your word, sir. We're
They got
investigating
cameras,
the case.
so we're not
And
innocent
we're-
until proven
so
guilty?
you're detained until we figure it out.
So we're not innocent until proven guilty, huh?
Are you going to continue to talk over?
Yes, because you guys are breaking the law right now. Yes, you are. You're illegally detaining me. You're this guy tried to get my identification when there was no law being committed. There's no crime being committed. Detained does not justify ID. You can ask, but I can refuse.
And you did. Can I force you to give me your ID?
No, you came very hostile to.
Did
You
I
came. You're
force you?
shaking.
No, I didn't.
You need to take. You need to lower your control.
Okay.
How's it going, brother?
What's up, man? Just have a chat with him. What do you need to talk about?
Can you guys do me a favor and can you request a sergeant?
Okay, let me talk to you first, okay? So this is what's going on. They said that you came up to a window and you recorded them, which isn't illegal, okay?
Not illegal.
Okay.
Never
The
said it
point
was.
you went inside, you're not. There's no loitering inside.
Okay,
the
so
parking lot,
hold
okay?
on.
Hold on. No,
So let me
fin-
pause you on
me
this. Let me
finish
pause
talking.
you.
Hey, let me finish talking and then I'll
Stand.
let you talk.
Okay.
Okay.
I apologize. Go
That
ahead.
was good.
Good.
Perfect. So, your warning right now is you can't go inside just to walk inside, okay? So the garage is purposed to parking vehicles or bicycles. You understand that? So I'm warning you right now that you can't go inside just to walk inside and have no business there. Okay?
I heard what you
Does that
said.
make sense?
Let me know when you're finished so I can say what I want to say.
Go ahead.
So let me start by saying, first of all, I'm working on a constitutionally protected activity, First Amendment, freedom of press. I'm an independent journalist, investigative journalist. I'm working on a story. I tried to explain to the lady, me walking around, you can shake your head no. If you don't believe in our Constitution that you swore an oath to, come on, man. So like I said, and I apologize for that language, but these guys, you illegally detained me. So I'll talk to you. You've been very cordial and I do appreciate it. So to start off, I tried to explain to her, I'm not loitering. Loitering, if you look up the definition, is when you don't have a purpose. I have a purpose, and you can't be trespassed from public property just because they don't like I'm recording. I'm going to turn my phone off for a second. I want to show you something. Is that okay?
I want to pause.
Hold on. No, I'm actually a paying customer. I actually have my app right now. As we speak, I'm literally paying for a parking space right now.
There is a muni code that says you can only come in here for parking vehicles or bicycles. Okay?
I want to jump in real quick and talk about what loitering is in the state of California. A person can only be convicted under loitering law if he is in fact was loitering or wandering around with no apparent purpose. This means that it is always a solid legal defense for a defendant to show that he was not, in fact, loitering, meaning he was in a place for a specific reason or a specific purpose. Anthony X had, in fact, parked his car in this public parking garage, and after exiting his car, he decided to conduct a constitutionally protected activity called a First Amendment audit of the parking garage. Since he had a legitimate reason of being inside the parking garage, he was not loitering.
I can pull that up.
Okay,
too,
let me
the
tell
way
you
you're
this.
pulling it up,
Any
pull it up.
codes don't trump our Constitution.
I'm just giving
Freedom
you
of press. Then write me a ticket for it, because I'm going to go back.
I'm giving you a warning.
I'm going to go back. Write me the ticket now then.
Come back.
Write me the ticket.
You're gonna get a ticket.
I will. That's fine. I'll see you in court. That's fine. I'm doing a constitutionally...
So just so you know, the municipal code, you park your car, you gotta leave.
So you're saying I don't have a right to go get my car?
No, you do. You don't finish. So you park your car, you have 15 minutes to come out, do your business, go back, that's fine. Use your parking garage for parking your car, leaving, come back to your car. That's fine, let me finish.
Okay.
If you're gonna loiter in the parking lot further than that,
Hold on.
I'm not done.
No. Could you stop using the word loitering?
So we're warning you now.
No, hold on. If you're going to arrest me, it has to be for something else, not loitering. It can't be loitering.
You cannot go back, you can't hang out in the parking lot.
I wasn't hanging out.
Do whatever out here, that's fine.
Sir.
When you're harassing employees down there,
I wasn't harassing anyone. I was recording.
Back, then you'll be getting a ticket.
Sir, hold on. I need the incident number, guys. I need the incident number.
Dispatch and get it.
Give me the incident number. What's your badge number? You guys going to refuse to give me your badge number?
149.
What is it?
149.
You'll be getting a complaint.
Your first one ain't the last.
I'm sure it won't. I can tell you're a bunch of tyrants. Don't even care about the Constitution. I'm going to record. I'm going to record. It's a public area. I just need to, I'll be out of here in like 2 seconds. I just need a FOIA request form and 5 complaint forms.
Okay, there's no recording.
I'm going to record. It's a public lobby. That's not a law. Can I just get 5 complaint forms and I'll be on my way?
Are you gonna stop recording?
No. Is it a law? Is it a law?
This isn't a public space.
So the public lobby is not public? Are you kidding me? Do I need to go to the city manager to get my request done?
Have them.
Yeah, there's no penal code attached to that. That's not a lawful direction.
It's the same as wearing a mask when you're in a building, though.
You're not wearing masks.
I'm not saying you have to wear a mask. I'm just saying that it's...
Yeah, it's not a law. It's a request. And I'm not here to give you...
It literally says on the sign...
Ma'am, I'm not here to give you trouble. That's not a law. I respectfully decline. I just want 5 complaint forms, 1 FOIA request form, and I'll be on my way and I'll leave.
So we don't have a FOIA request form. That's just anything that you fill out.
Was that?
You just have to fill out a request through the clerk, or you can fill out just a paper form.
So if I fill out a paper form, do I bring it back here then?
You can email it, or you can send it through the clerk's office.
Okay. And that would be on your website, like your PD website, or
Not PD, the clerk.
the clerk? As far as complaints that are regarding the PD, though?
So that's on that side.
That would be right over there.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked today's video. And please remember and go over and check out Anthony X First Amendment Audit's YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, stay safe out there.